Hey everyone, today we're making lamb Rogan Josh. This is such an easy and fuss-free simple dish. You will enjoy making it and everybody loves the Rogan Josh. So it is a perfect dish to entertain your guests. For Rogan Josh, you don't need much. You don't need tomatoes, you don't need fresh ginger and garlic, you don't need onions. So it is a very fuss-free dish and very delicious. So you will need 600 grams of lamb chops. You can use any cut, but generally and authentically lamb legs are used for this dish, but I'm going to use lamb chops. It's delicious. It has bones, fat, meat, everything. It looks good also. So we need 600 grams of lamb chops. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add 3/4 cup of mustard oil. Add few sticks of cinnamon, 3 green cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and half teaspoon fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are very important for this dish. Just fry them for a few seconds. Now we add in our lamb chops. Now we'll cook the lamb chops for 4 to 5 minutes along with the whole spices. We add in a little asafoetida powder too, around half teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Let's add the Kashmiri chilli powder, so around 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Salt to taste. Give this a good mix and cook this for further 5 minutes. So now we have the heat on low and we add 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 2 teaspoon of ginger powder, and half tablespoon of mutton masala or meat masala. Mix it well and cook it further for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we add 2 tablespoons of whisked yogurt. Add 2 cups of boiling water. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cover and cook on low for 30 minutes or until the lamb is cooked. It's been 30 minutes and our lamb Rogan Josh is ready. Do not give this recipe a miss, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now and enjoy my delicious Rogan Josh in this beautiful, cold, rainy afternoon. See ya. Bye-bye.